Okay, now that we have our audio level set well, we can open Audacity to record voiceovers. I'm going to show you an example of me recording part of what might be Pythagoras' answers. So it's handy to have your script open and on the screen. It will fit on the screen fine with Audacity. You don't need to see my script. I'm going to move it down a little bit so you can see Audacity. So Audacity's on your desktop. It's this icon. And it opens in a smaller window usually. You need to first make sure that the correct microphone is selected, and it's also always a good idea to record in stereo rather than mono. So both of those can be found under Edit and Preferences. You can see that mine's already been set for stereo, and it's also been set to choose the USB audio device. I think when you first open it, it might be trying to record from Sound Mapper. So make sure it says USB audio device, and then click OK. And now you're ready to record. So I'm going to make sure I can see my script, and I'm going to click record, and you'll notice two things. Number one, my voice should stay relatively consistent because I'm speaking away from the mic. Right now I'm speaking on top of the mic, and you should clearly hear the audio is not a good quality at all. So don't speak on the mic. Have the mic on the table and then sit normally, and it will pick up your voice from below. Okay, and the other thing, make sure you leave pauses in between your answers. So here I go. Hello. I was born in Greece, and I'm a mathematician as well as a philosopher. Yes, there's even a religious movement called Pythagoreanism. I would have to say the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so you can now see where I paused. This is one whole answer, and it's a pause within that answer, but you can see my bigger gaps are my pauses between questions. So this is where I said hello, this is where I gave the second answer, and I'm not going to do any altering of that here. It will be helpful when I bring it into Premiere, and you'll see that in a later screencast. I do want to tell you though to play this and listen to it and make sure it's a good quality. If it's not a good quality, then you're going to delete it here, and you're going to click record again. So I'm going to record it a second time. Hello. I was born in Greece, and I'm a mathematician as well as a philosopher. Okay, and now my phone just rang, so I'm going to delete again and try one more time. Hello. I was born in Greece, and I'm a mathematician as well as a philosopher. Yes, there was even a religious movement called Pythagoreanism. I would have to say the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so that was okay. I probably would record it one more time because my mouth is dry and I don't think I spoke very clearly, but for the purposes of showing you the rest of this, we will pretend that this is an excellent take, at which point we are going to export it as a wave. I know you guys know about MP3, and it would be okay, except that we don't have the most updated version of Audacity on these machines, and Premiere Elements I think likes wave better, so let's just export it as a wave. And you're going to make sure that this goes into your folder that has everything else. You can see this is another trial I did, so I'm going to write I'll write voiceover again. I'll write voiceover real and click save. And now if we look at that folder, you can see these two files are ready to use. All of my other Pythagoras files will go here too, and I'll use all of these files when I use Premiere Elements. So I hope that helps. Bye.